Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain you social assignment of class 10. Topic is the election process in India. In this, our subtopic, ruling party at the time of election, conducting elections in various levels. Let us see our question number 1. What are the role of political parties on the day of polling? Yes. We are going to discuss the role of the political parties. The polling personnel shall make all the arrangements in that particular area where the elections are going to be held so that the voters can cast their vote in a democratic and a peaceful atmosphere. Yes, without any violation. They are going to follow the strict rules and at the same time they need to have necessary arrangements. So here polling personnel has to take the responsibility to make the necessary arrangements for the voters. Let us see the second point. Leaders of all political parties shall cooperate with the polling staff to discharge their duties. Yes, here election day, on the day of election, there are several parties that are going to come together. And at that particular place, political parties shall cooperate with all the polling staff. Yes, the political parties, the other parties, all the parties, they need to cooperate with the polling staff. And the third point is, polling agents shall be issued identity card without names or the party symbol. Yes, they are supposed to be given. The polling agents shall be issued identity card. Why? Because it is the one where it shows that the person is from so and so party, but there should not be any names written on the card, identity card. Campaigning should end before 48 hours. Yes, election campaigning should be end before 48 hours of the polling day, and they are supposed to be prohibited, liquor to be prohibited before the 48 hours of the day of polling. There shall not be any posters, flags, symbols, election material and food in the campus. Like, yes, where the elections are going to be held, where in that particular area, they should not be seen like posters, flags, symbols and the election material and the food in the campus where the elections are going to take place. This is our answer 1. Let us go with the question number 2. Yeah, here is a question. What is nota? Nota is nothing but none of the above. None of the above. Yes, children, we could see this on the EVMs, electronic voting machine. Now, at the bottom we could see this nota, none of the above. The voter has the liberty. Yes, liberty is nothing but freedom, independent, like freedom, liberty, to cast his or her vote against all the contesting candidates to nota option. Yes, here no one is going to force the public to contest or to cast a vote only to one particular party. It's wish of her or his. Why? Because they can select even none of the above also. They can cast their vote for the nota even. Yes, candidate has the liberty. The voter has got the liberty to cast their vote for the nota even. Nota is nothing but, children, none of the above. Where we could see this on the EVM machine. At the bottom we could see this nota. This is all about second answer, children. Let us move with the question number 3. Our third question is, what is the role of ruling party at the time of elections? Yes, what is the role of the ruling party? In the first answer, we discussed in what manner they need to arrange the things in that particular area where the elections are going to take place. And the second answer, we discussed about the nota, and the third one is about the role of ruling party. Yes, we'll see. The ruling party leaders shall not misuse the power. They should not use bureaucracy for party related works. Yes, the ruling party, they are not supposed to use or they are not supposed to force by the name of the political party, because though they are the ruling party, but they should not do these all the things. And this is the first point. Then second one is, they should not use government vehicles for campaigning. Yes, the ruling party should not use any government vehicles at the time of campaigning, election campaigning. Our third point, their official visits and party related visits shall not be mingled. Yes, the ruling party, it has the right to contest for the next elections also. At the same time, whatever the meetings related to the party and related to the visits, official visits and the party visits, it should not be combined. There is a difference between these two even. They should not be mingled. Which one? Official visits and the party related visits also. They should not be mingled. Then our fourth point, the moment the election schedule is issued, the election expenditure will come into force. Yes, when the election schedule is going to be released, at that time, what all the expenses, what all they are going to spend, they will come into force. Means they will come into effect. They will be calculated from that period of time. The public properties like government buildings, office, places shall not be used for the campaigning by any party. See children, even the ruling party, it has not given any opportunity that they are not supposed to use any public properties. Who? Ruling party. They are not supposed to use, the ruling party is not supposed to be used. The government vehicles or the government buildings or the office places shall not be used for the campaigning by any of the party here. This is all about today's assignment, children. Thank you all.